Many travelers begin a trip with high expectations only to run into stress, wasted time, and unnecessary expenses. Much of this happens because people rely on surface-level advice and overlook the deeper habits that seasoned travelers use to move smoothly from place to place. This video brings together insider practices, quiet industry realities, and thoughtful strategies that help you avoid the common traps that turn a trip into a burden. By the end, you will know how to plan with precision, protect your time and money, and carry yourself with the calm efficiency of someone who understands how the travel world truly works. One of the most common mistakes is assuming that arriving early means hours of comfort. In reality, airports vary widely in security flow, staff levels, and peak load hours. Many experienced travelers study the rhythm of their home airport, noting when security lines consistently move faster. This allows them to time their arrival in a way that maintains a comfortable buffer without wasting half a day waiting. The simplest method is to track your airport's wait time charts for a month before any major trip. A typical traveler rushes to check in the moment the window opens, but airlines often reshuffle seat assignments and release better seats closer to departure. Understanding this quiet practice can open better seating opportunities. Check in early enough to secure your booking, but revisit your seat map several times before boarding. You may find yourself moved out of cramped rows simply by taking advantage of overlooked timing. Most travelers pack with the thought of preparing for every scenario. Professionals pack for the most likely scenarios instead. This subtle shift reduces stress, avoids overweight fees, and makes movement easier in unfamiliar cities. A reliable practice is the 5-day rule. Pack no more than you would need for 5 active days, since most destinations have accessible laundry options at lower cost than extra baggage. Many visitors fall into the trap of relying on ride-hailing apps without understanding local supply patterns. Prices rise during shift changes, weather changes, or cultural events. The insider approach is to study local transit options before arrival, noting reliable routes and safe walking corridors. You can then shift effortlessly between modes of transport rather than depending on a single solution that may fail during peak hours. Hotels rarely give the best rooms to early arrivals. Instead, they assign rooms based on occupancy rotation, housekeeping status, and loyalty calculations. You improve your chances by arriving slightly later in the afternoon when the majority of rooms are already cleaned and released. A polite request at this time stands a much better chance of securing a quiet corner room or a higher floor. Many travelers exchange money at airports due to convenience, not realizing they are paying for that convenience with steep margins. The more effective method is to withdraw only a small amount at a foreign ATM using a card with international fee protection. This offers better rates and limits exposure to overpriced exchanges. Carrying multiple low-fee cards is a safeguard professionals rely on. Visitors often wander into inefficient routes because they do not study the basic grid or natural layout of a city. Taking 10 minutes upon arrival to understand the city's main axes, central squares, and major transit nodes changes the entire experience. It reduces fatigue, improves safety, and helps you move with confidence even without constant map checking. Every major city has districts designed to catch visitors with inflated prices and low-quality service. The signs are consistent. Multilingual menus, hosts aggressively inviting you inside, and identical souvenir shops on both sides of the street. Stepping 2 to 3 blocks away from such areas usually leads you to better food, calmer service, and fairer prices. Most visitors arrive at attractions in the morning when crowds are heaviest. Seasoned travelers study visitor flow charts and aim for late afternoons. Many major museums clear out significantly in the last 2 hours, allowing you to view exhibits without the elbow-to-elbow shuffle that ruins concentration. Professional thieves work in predictable patterns. They target escalators, train doors, and dense festival grounds. Recognizing these patterns reduces risk immediately. Keep valuables in front-facing zip compartments and avoid placing phones in back pockets. Move with deliberate awareness in crowded conditions. Most travelers underestimate how much light exposure controls their internal rhythm. Adjusting your body clock begins days before departure by gradually shifting your wake and sleep times by half an hour each day. After landing, expose yourself to natural sunlight during the destination's morning hours and avoid heavy meals late at night. Travelers often lose energy because they rely on random meals at irregular hours. A simple kit of stable snacks such as nuts, dried fruit, or oat bars keeps your energy steady during long transfers. This prevents the sudden hunger that pushes you into overpriced or unhealthy food choices. Many visitors squeeze too much into a single day, thinking it maximizes value. In truth, overplanning leads to diminished enjoyment and rushed experiences. Professionals leave at least one open window each day to explore unscheduled streets, markets, or viewpoints. These unplanned moments often become the highlights of a trip. Misunderstandings happen when travelers assume their own customs are universal. Studying local etiquette, greeting norms, and dining behavior takes minutes but prevents awkward or disrespectful moments. This preparation fosters smoother interactions with local residents. Public Wi-Fi networks remain one of the easiest ways to compromise personal data. Using a reliable VPN shields your information when checking emails, accessing banking apps, or booking transport. It is one of the simplest and strongest defenses a traveler can set up. Relying on short-term forecasts leads many travelers to pack incorrectly. The wiser approach is to study historical weather patterns for the month of travel. This gives you a clearer sense of expected conditions and helps avoid surprises such as unseasonal rain or evening temperature drops. Some travelers unintentionally visit during festivals that strain transport and raise accommodation prices. Others miss events that could enrich their visit. Understanding the local events calendar months ahead helps you plan around these shifts, either to avoid crowd surges or to enjoy unique cultural experiences. A short walk on your first evening helps you understand the neighborhood, identify landmarks, and adjust to the new environment. It grounds you after long travel and improves your sense of direction for the days ahead. This small routine creates a smoother psychological transition into the destination. Airports and stations often attract unofficial drivers who claim to offer discounted rides. These encounters usually lead to inflated prices or unsafe conditions. Always use verified kiosks, official counters, or pre-booked transport apps. A few minutes of caution protects you from common schemes. Travelers often waste the final day waiting at the airport or sitting in their hotel lobby. A more experienced habit is to store luggage at a secure baggage facility or with the hotel concierge, allowing you to enjoy one last museum visit or cafe stop before heading out. This preserves the day instead of losing it to waiting. One powerful secret is to maintain a personal travel log that records the patterns you observe in each country. Over time, these observations become a library of insights far more practical than any guidebook. You begin to recognize how cities move, how hotels operate, and how the rhythms of transport systems guide your decisions. If you found these insights useful, share your own travel habits in the comments and subscribe for more professional guidance on navigating the world with confidence.